Here at Adventist Medical Center, we see many patients that come in for chest pain. A myocardial infarction or a heart attack is a life-threatening condition where there's either a blockage or a clot to the blood vessels that are supplying the heart. There's a number of different lifestyle modifications that patients should be aware of to prevent the onset of a heart attack. Diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, obesity, and smoking are all risk factors. Patients will come in experiencing pain in their chest. This pain will commonly radiate sometimes up into the neck or down into the arm. Other symptoms associated with this pain are nausea, vomiting, shortness of breath, and sometimes sweating. I urge all of my patients that if they have any of these symptoms to take an aspirin and to call 911 immediately.
We have an extremely efficient team here at Adventist Medical Center for treating patients with heart attacks. We have the ability to bring patients with heart attacks to our facility here in the emergency room by helicopter. We have an elevator that brings them directly to us for their needs. Catheterization lab is adjacent to our facility here in the emergency department. It's right next door. We are one of 2 centers in the state of Oregon that's certified by the Society of Chest Pain Centers for treating myocardial infarctions.
Time is muscle. If we're actually able to evaluate a patient that's having a heart attack immediately, we're able to administer a life-saving intervention called a cardiac catheterization. And in such case, they're able to visualize all of the blood vessels around the heart and potentially reopen any of the blockages.